Let's compare Platinum Inka Gold with Metallic Rub-Ons Color Set Number 1. Now the Color Set Number 1 Metallic Rub-Ons has 7 different colors within the kit, whereas the Platinum Inka Gold is just one color pot, and it's pretty much a lifetime supply. The Rub-Ons are really easy to apply with your fingers, and you can also apply the Inka Gold with your fingers. I like the color selection from both. The difference comes in the fact that Inka Gold is water soluble. So I can use a water brush to watercolor with those colors, and they will keep rehydrating and I can keep spreading them out, whereas the metallic rub-ons are not water soluble. So I may have been able to initially pick up some color with my brush, but you can see when I tried to apply it, it didn't really make a nice watercolor effect. I can use both of them on top of an embossed surface, and when I go to wash my hands, the Inka Gold washes off really easily, whereas even soap and water makes it a little bit harder to get the rub-ons off. Both are great, just different uses. And the Inka Gold also gives you the opportunity to use water techniques.